Today we are opening up the Basic Solutions Convenience wireless wall switch and socket to replace our very annoying light with a pull chain that never ever opens and takes forever to turn on. This is in a little bit of rage packaging and plastic, so we have to cut it and we pull it apart. There's the socket. And it's got a remote. So all we have to do ideally is flip a switch and we'll have light. The directions are very simple. Remove the plastic on the back. There's a battery compartment back here. It takes one 9-volt battery. So I'm going to open up the back here, insert the battery, and then we're going to install the socket into the existing light socket. With a flathead screwdriver, we remove these screws in the front of the switch plate, and that's where we install one 9-volt battery. Just connect it like this. Okay, we fold the battery right back into its compartment here. Tuck it in. And we'll screw the switch plate back together. Like this. And then we're going to install the socket. Ooh, I can't wait. So we're going to insert the light bulb into our remote socket. And now we're going to bring this over to the hallway light to install it where our annoying light used to be. Hopefully, oopsie. Uh-oh, I have a bad feeling about this. With the flick of a switch, I am so excited about this. Whoop. Light on, light off, oops. Off. No more yanking on a pull chain. I'm psyched. The end.
Say goodbye.
So long now. Thanks for watching.